Are you ready to see some acrylic pouring fails? Let me warn you, there are a lot of them. But let's start by the beginning. Once upon a time there was this girl who liked to paint. Wait, no, not that beginning. Hello world, it's Sophie. Today I'm going to do an acrylic pouring, the first one. So I'm going to use acrylic paint, obviously, and pouring medium. The three colors are titanium white, phthalo blue and turquoise. The canvas is 25 cm square and is from Action as the paint and pouring medium. You're probably wondering what electrical wires are doing there. Well, you're right too. I forgot to buy those mixing things that everyone seems to have, so I looked for something, anything, in my house that could maybe do the trick, and I found this. Because really, who doesn't have electrical wire laying around? Anyway, let's start. Okay, putting paint into the cup, easy enough. Now, putting the medium, that's another story. First, each time I closed the bottle, I got some pouring medium in my face, hair, glasses. I think it contains glue, at least it smells like it, so yeah, sticky. Then there was the mixing. Some electrical wire, not a good idea. You probably figured it out, it's way too small to mix evenly. The worst thing is after I finished my painting, I noticed my painting knife 20 centimeters away. Yeah, I'm dumb. Okay, I think I'm ready to pour now. I stalled enough. No kidding, my hands are shaking. Let's do it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I know, the white is not well mixed, and I have blobs of white paint. In fact, when I was tilting the canvas, I was thinking of unicorn's puke. Absolutely gorgeous, but kind of disgusting at the same time. Protecting your work surface is obviously a must with this technique. A pizza box did the trick well enough. By the way, I'm sorry, I didn't realize when filming that the canvas was not entirely in frame. By now, the paint doesn't flow anymore and I have to accept that I didn't make enough. So let's fix that. I wanted to make this part darker, but I failed, yes, again. I put way too much white, which is just a little annoying when one goes for a darker tone. The result is not ugly, just not what I wanted. I don't know if you can see it, but this piece is very textured. There are blobs of paint, yes, But there are also parts where there is barely any paint, or at least it looks like it. It's colored, that's not the issue, but I can see the texture of the canvas and not the texture of the paint. I thought this was an issue, that's why I'm adding paint right where I'm thinking there is a lack of it. But it turns out that wasn't a problem. The texture of the canvas appeared anyway once the paint dried out. Maybe it would have been prettier if I had left it alone. Here is the result a few days later. The humidity of the paint made the canvas shrink. It wasn't stapled to wood, but just glued to cardboard. It didn't hold, so yeah, it's kinda ruined. But I absolutely love the pattern, it's great for a print. I really want to try to make others, on proper staple canvas this time. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please tell me what you think of my broken English. See you soon!